Winter in New England. I love this weather. I'm actually at my friend Kevin's house. He has a nice piece of land in Massachusetts, kind of doing the homestead thing. He's got goats and chickens and all kinds of things. And he also has this awesome tractor that he needed to cover for the winter. So we built this thing. This pad was already here as they were clearing land out. They found this pad. So Kevin figured this would be a good spot. We have cherry trees that were knocked over in a storm for the upright posts. And then we switched to conventional framing, all 2x8 pressure treated, then did some strapping and some corrugated metal roofing. Pretty simple build, but I wanted to make this video to show you how we did it, and let me know in the comments what you think. Let's check it out. Oh, sorry. And we're gonna do it right now.
Beauty. Right there.
I had a lot of fun building this thing. What was nice about it is it didn't have to be completely perfect. You know, working on houses, everything's got to be square, level, plumb. And we did that for the most part here, but it was a lot, you know, we came up with a plan and just kind of built it as we went. So it was a good time. Let me know how you think we did in the comments. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, consider subscribing. If you want to see more of my videos, you can click hereish and check those videos out. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.